Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to know how I made this stew, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Remember to subscribe to stay connected. Yeah, I have shaki, cow leg, mackerel fish, onion, bell pepper, oil, 3 seasoning cube, tin tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. The shaki and the cow leg is thoroughly washed. 3 seasoning cube, white pepper, black pepper, thyme, curry, onion powder, ginger, garlic, onion, pepper. Add enough water to boil your meat and cover it. The meat is ready. The shaki and cow leg is ready. Now I'm going to boil the fish. I'm adding onion, thyme, ginger, white pepper, black pepper, onion powder, curry, garlic, half seasoning cube. Cover it to boil for 10 minutes. Right now the fish is ready. I'm going to take it out from the water and set it aside. I'm going to blend the tomatoes. I'm not going to use full pepper because it's very spicy. I'm using half pepper. And here is my onion. Now it's time to fry the fish. Add enough oil to cook your stew so that your stew will not be burning. I added onion. Here is the fish. I let it fry until it's brown like this. The next thing, I'm going to change the pot. That is another pot on the fire. Onion, thyme, curry, ginger, garlic, tomato paste. Make sure your tomato paste is not burnt so that your stew will not be bitter. Allow it to cook for some time. Mix it together and cover it to cook. I will leave it to cook for 40 minutes. I later cover it halfway so that the water will dry on time. I'm adding bay leaves, 4 bay leaves. If you like the flavor bay leaves give to your jollof rice, why won't you also try it when you are cooking your stew for white rice? I added seasoning cube 2.5. Look at my stew. Everywhere is already smelling nice. That is my shaki and cow leg. I boiled the shaki and the cow leg together with the one I used to cook my egusi soup. If you have not watched egusi soup, please check it out. So I'm adding the fish stock. The first one I added was the cow leg and shaki stock. Stew is ready. Look at that, so yummy. Oh my god, the rice is already waiting. Can you see that? So delicious. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and leave your comments below. Yes, I like reading comments. Please comment on this video and share with someone. Watch other videos on my channel. My new subscribers, I appreciate you all. My old subscribers that always watch my video, thank you. I would like to see you all on my next video. Ciao.